Hi there, students. So, phrasal verbs with ask. Let's see. Ask about, ask after, ask around, ask for, ask in, ask out, ask over, ask around. Okay, so you ask a question, yeah? What time is it? You ask for something. Please, would you give me that? But let's look at the other meaning of to ask for. Very often in a continuous tense, you're asking for trouble. You're trying to provoke a negative reaction, particularly in a continuous tense. If you don't lock up your bike, you're asking for it to be stolen. Yeah? You're asking for a punch in the face if you continue saying things like that. Yeah? Okay, so it's like saying you're requesting. Ask for, could I have that please? But to ask for trouble, you're asking for trouble. Yeah, you're really asking for it. Yeah, it's like you're going out looking for trouble. Okay, so notice, ask for something, inseparable. Yeah, and it needs to be transitive as well. Okay, so if you don't study for your exams, you're asking to asking in this case I'm going to use an infinitive. You're asking to fail your exam. You could also use it, you're asking for failure, but asking to have your bike stolen with an infinitive as well. Okay, so to ask about. My friend asked about you. He asked how you were doing, yeah? Especially professional or in terms of health. He asked about you. He asked after you as well. But notice, to ask about, to ask everyone you know. Let's see. I don't. Do you know somebody who's trying to rent a flat? I'll ask about. I'll ask around as well, same meaning. Okay, to ask around, to ask the people you know or the people you see. Yeah? You ask the butcher, ask your next door neighbour. Yeah? So I'll ask about here and there. Ask around. I'll ask around. Would you ask around and see if you can find this for me? Ask a number of different people for information or for help. I've no idea about the answer to this, but I'll ask around. Notice, intransitive, no direct object. I'll ask around and see what people say. I'll ask about again, same idea. You could ask someone around, separable, okay. He asked. Okay, sorry, yeah. Would you like to come to my house? I'll ask you around. I'll ask you around. Ask him around. Ask him around as well, round. Oh, one thing I missed with the ask about somebody, inseparable. He asked about you. He asked about my mother. Okay, so to ask someone around. To ask in. He asked me in. Come inside. Yeah? Don't stand there on the doorstep. Come in. Yeah? Would you go and ask that person in? Yeah? So, to ask them to come in. Simon's at the door. Please just ask him in. Tell him to come in. Yeah? And then, to ask somebody out. To invite somebody out on a date. Don't be timid. Ask her out. She really likes you. I'm sure she'll go out. Yeah? Don't be so shy. Just ask the girl out. Ask her out. Separable. And then to ask somebody over. Yeah? My friend asked me over for lunch on Sunday. To invite again. It's like to ask around. To ask around. To ask someone round. He asked me round. He asked me over. Yeah? Asked me in. I'm standing on the doorstep. ask me over, to invite. Don't stand there on the doorstep. I asked you in, so come in, come in, come in. Ask him in. And that's the idea. So, to ask round, to invite somebody, to ask round, to ask various questions of people, see if anybody knows. To ask over, to invite somebody to come to your house. I asked him over. Ask her out. Ask her out on a date. Don't let him stand there on the doorstep. Ask him in. Tell him to come inside the house. Okay, to ask for something. So I asked the waiter for a clean glass. Yeah, and then you're asking for trouble. Yeah, or you're asking to get trouble. So you're asking for your bike to be stolen. Yeah, you're asking to get your bike stolen. Okay, trying to provoke a negative reaction. Ask after. So he asked after my health. He asked after my brother-in-law. Yeah. And then this ask about, the same as ask round. Ask about and see who knows. Or he asked after my father. He asked about my father. So there you go. Phrasal verbs with ask. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Ask. Ask about, ask after, ask round, ask around, ask for, ask in, ask out, ask over, ask round.